They didn't hack the company. They hacked a trusted partner. And that's how the real damage began. This is the anatomy of a supply chain attack. Let's break it down, step by step. It starts with trust. You integrate third-party apps. You allow contractors VPN access. You share credentials with vendors. And you assume they're secure. But what if they're not? In 2023, MOVEit, a popular file transfer tool, was compromised. Hundreds of organizations were affected, not because they were vulnerable, but because a single vendor in their supply chain was. Here's how that breach unfolded. Attackers scanned the internet for exposed MOVEit servers. They found one, exploited a zero-day vulnerability, installed a web shell, and began harvesting data silently. But it didn't stop there. Many companies had MOVEit baked into their systems, used for payroll, legal file transfers, medical data, government reports. The attackers moved laterally, not through direct hacks, but through integration points. Because when a trusted app is compromised, it inherits your trust and your access. If this is valuable, hit like so we can make more videos like this. So what can we learn? First, trust is not security. A signed agreement doesn't mean cyber hygiene. Assess your vendors like you assess your own systems. Second, least privilege matters. Third-party tools and users should never have more access than absolutely necessary. Third, monitor integration behavior. If a file transfer tool suddenly starts accessing HR data at midnight, that's a signal. And finally, incident response must include third parties. Can you detect a breach if it started outside your firewall? Supply chain attacks aren't new, but AI, automation, and remote access make them faster and more dangerous. You don't need to be the target to be the victim. You're on Cyber StrategiX, your edge in the evolving cyber battlefield. Like, subscribe, and share to stay ahead in cybersecurity.